I'ma make this shit grip.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Itsmisstrina. If this is your first time here, welcome. Guys, before you go any further, make sure you support your girl and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the growing family. And also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single thing. You'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay guys, so we got something simple, quick, and pretty going on here today. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I went in and I primed my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette. You guys already know my all-time favorite palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And this is the only shade I'm using today. Basically, I'm going to put this all over my lid and just blend it out as my transition. So I'm going to take that BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Brush. I'm just going to dip it in that brown shade. And it's just going to go all over my lid. You don't want to use too much because you don't want to have a hard time blending it out, or you don't want to really have to use another shade to get it blended. So you want to go in on the other eye, do the same thing. Okay guys, so once we have that all blended out, we're going to go in with this Colourpop shade. It's a Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter in Lightning Bug. So what it looks like, it is beautiful. Okay, beautiful. So apply this with my finger. So I'm just going to rub it in there like that. And I'm going to pat it over my lid. Look at that. The pigmentation of this is amazing. I'm going to pat this all over my lid. I'm going to bring it up pretty high. And I'm also going to get my inner corner. And I'm kind of applying it in a rounded shape. And I'm going to take the tip of my finger and just get up into that crease. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. You want to take that same blending brush that you use and dip into that color a little bit, that brown color. And you just want to bring it into the eyeshadow so there's no separation, and just blend around the edges. And do the same thing on the other side. Can y'all believe how pigmented this shadow is? And I have a few more of these, and I got them from Ulta. And I'm going to have to go back and get the rest because these are really good. And the fact that you can apply them with your finger, y'all. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for the eyes. Let's go ahead and get onto the face. Okay guys, so I went ahead and popped some lashes on, a little bit of liner just on top of my waterline, and I primed my face with the Covergirl Full Spectrum Matte Primer. And I also used the NYX smoothing primer. I have everything listed down below. So I am going back in today with the foundation I used in my last tutorial, which is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in 177. I'm just going to put this all over my face. I'm going to spray my face with the Badescu Skincare Facial Spray, the green tea one. It gets me every time. So I just did that to make the foundation a little bit more easier to blend. In the summer, it's always a little bit tricky trying to find your shade because you do tan. You get a little bit darker. I probably should have did my edges before I put this, but oh well. The edges are still want to get slayed. But like I was saying, it's a little bit harder because in the summertime you get tanned and your color changes. Not once, sometimes several times in the summer, depending on how much you're out in the sun, which is the case for me because Justin likes to be outside, so I'm always outside baking or whatever. For concealers, I'm using the Infallible concealers by Loreal. I'm using the shade Honey as the darker one to conceal, and then Walnut to highlight. So I'm going to put Honey down first because this is closer to my skin tone or the foundation that I have on. And then I'm going to put Walnut on top for highlight. For contour today, we're going to be cream contouring, and we're going to use the Black Opal foundation stick in Suede Mocha. And I'm going to go in with this Real Technique Instapop cheek brush just to blend it out. Now, if you want more of a dramatic contour, you can go with a cream opposed to a powder. Normally, I just do the powder. But because for summer, I like to look super snatched and bronzy, I will do the cream contour. And this one has like a red undertone, which I like. And then I'm just going to go in and I'm going to blend out my concealer so we can get some highlights going on. So as you guys can see, I'm still blending. Of course, as I've told you guys, with the brush, it could take a little bit more time, but I just like the finish better. I like the coverage better than blending it out with the sponge. The sponge just soaks up so much of the product. And this product ain't cheap. So just to blend the contour and the concealer together so there's no harsh lines, I'm just taking that same brush I used to blend out the contour. And I'm just patting it in some more. We're going to set our cream contour. Anytime you use a cream contour, you want to make sure that you set it with a powder afterwards. And I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Mahogany to set. And you don't need a lot because you've already used the cream. You don't need a lot with this one anyway, so I think I just dip my brush in it once, and that's it. And then I'm done with it. I'm not going back in for any more product. And I'm going to get up in my hair. Alright, now I'm going to set my under eye and the rest of my face. Before I do that, because I have been waiting. Shit, I must put my eye out. I am going to just pat up under my eyes, just in case, and around my mouth, so I won't set any lines. Because if there's lines before you set it, you're going to set the lines and you're going to be able to see them, and it's not going to look cute. So I'm going in, I'm using my Fenton Beauty powder in Honey. And I'm going to use the same brush that I used to set my concealer. Now this foundation tends to get oily on me, so I tend to use a bit more powder because of that. Just because I don't want to look like an oil slick. Now I'm just carving out my cheekbones. And I like to bring my powder, oh fuck, around to my mouth. So I like to smile when I carve out my cheekbones. So you see how that looks? You got it, girl. You got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. We're gonna contour this nose a little bit. Just a tad bit. Give this nose a little bit more definition. Give it the appearance that is smaller. All those good things that your girl likes to do, okay? And I'm just gonna put a little powder. The Rihanna, the Fenty powder. Down my nose, my forehead, you know. Wherever I use concealer at. I'm gonna dust away this powder now. I'm using my normal blush that I normally use by Juvias Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 2. Today for highlighter, I'm just going to use my Crown Case highlighter. Because this highlighter alone does itself justice. You see that? Believe me when I tell you. So we're on to apply liner, and I want to do the extended wing in the inner corner. So I just take the Wet n Wild Mega Liner and I just draw that out first. And you want to go, hold on, I can't talk while doing this. And you just want to go in the natural shape of your eye. And you don't want to use a lot of product on the brush at all. Because if you use too much product, it's going to start to run because it is liquid. But when I do that cat wing like that in the inner corner, I use liquid to do it. And then I go in with my Maybelline Studio gel liner in black, and I'll line my waterline. Like that. And you just want to make sure you're connecting it to that inner corner part. And then for under my waterline, I'm just going to go in with that same color that I used for all over my lid. And I'm just going to pop this right up under my waterline. Like that. Then just for the inner corner, I'm going to take some of the Crown Case and I'm just going to put it right there. Just so we can have like a little sparkle, not nothing, you know, intense, but have a little sparkle there. Okay, y'all already know I'm going in with my favorite lip liner by Morphe. Is it Morphe? I think it's Morphe, by Morphe. And I'm going to line my lips. This is in Trendsetter. For those of you that line your lips and you don't get like the inner corner, right there, make sure you get it, because when you're laughing at something, it just looks crazy. I mean, am I the only one that pays attention to stuff like that? Then I'm going in with this NYX Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color in Sugar Coated Kisses. Line, which looks like this. It smells so good. Smells so good, guys. I don't care what kind of lip combo I do, I always feel the need to go in and top it with some clear gloss, just because I'm a glossy girl. Just a glossy girl, guys. Then I'm going to go in and set my face with the Anastasia Dewy and Setting Spray. Dewy Set Setting Spray. And I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. I like to add my mascara after I spray, so my mascara won't run. So just a tip for y'all. Or if you're going to do it, make sure your mascara on your bottom lashes are dry. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to pop some earrings in and come back and show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? This is a quick, simple, very simple, easy go-to summer look. Like, this is as easy as it's gonna get, y'all. Okay, so let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Do you guys like these quick and simple, easy tutorials? If so, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll continue to give you more of these. I just want to provide you guys with more achievable looks. Yes, the dramatic looks are nice, but I know from my audience that I have, you guys probably want to see something that you can actually do. If you can't do the dramatic looks, you still want to do some type of look, but something that's achievable. So I'm hoping you guys are liking this simple, easy looks that I've been doing lately. Let me know down in the comments below what other kind of looks, colors, lifestyle videos that you guys want to see. That's gonna wrap it up for me. As always, I had fun filming this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Deuces.